The human condition related to the psychodynamics of those who prey upon others in a way that is motivated by deviant method is known as dark psychology. Throughout this series, you are going to study a bits of dark psychology because it can help you further understand mind control and other psychological techniques. Virtually every human has the ability to tap into dark psychology. This may sound somewhat terrifying since dark psychology is often known as to be the psychology fostered by psychopaths and sociopaths, and it can be entire foundation of how many major crimes are committed. However, in this series you are going to learn about dark psychology and how you can use it to your benefit without compromising your own well-being, as well as how you can use the understanding of dark psychology to prevent yourself from being brainwashed by others. The majority of dark psychology is based on goal-oriented motivation that can be rationalized by the individual who is completing the activities. Dark psychology includes the thoughts, feelings, and perception fostered by those who are responsible for using dark psychology to complete certain actions. A lot of forms of mind control are considered to be rooted in a dark psychology, because many believe that mind control is an impure strategy used by those who cannot be bothered to do things themselves. They believe that it is a form of evil, hence why it is called dark psychology. While you certainly do not want to alleviate the blame from true criminals, you should understand that you are not a criminal for using mind control strategies. Mind control nowadays can be a powerful way to encourage people to do things you want them to do. In this day and age, there are 10 versions of mind control that exist. Understanding these strategies and how they will work will assist you in understanding how they can contribute to mind control. After you will learn about strategies, you can implement them in your day-to-day life. A technique that society uses by educating impressionable children, society essentially teaches them to become ideal members of society. They are taught and trained in certain ways that fulfill the desires of the government and authorities, and most people don't even think twice about it. Persuasion is one of the most popular forms of mind control. This method is used in so many different areas of life that many people don't even recognize when it is happening. That is exactly why it works. Persuasion is not same as convincing, although most people believe that two are the same thing. However, persuasion is the act of skillfully encourage someone to do what you want them to do without them realizing that you're doing it. Whereas convincing someone means that you're using tactics that are easy to recognize. Manipulation tends to be regarded as one of the darkest methods of mind control, and many people think it is a nasty thing to do. However, when you learn to use manipulation properly, you can use it to gain control over virtually anyone else's mind and have your desired outcome. Deception is an extremely sophisticated strategy that is used in mind control. This strategy allows people to knowingly omit information from conversation without being considered lies, since they have never directly been asked and therefore they never directly lied.